Hey guys, Jake here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky Delta faucet. Now the way I'm going to do this is with a quick cartridge change, and this is very easy to perform. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shut off the main water valve to the house. Now, this valve is usually found on the side of the house here, and it feeds the entire house of water. Now, when you're closing this valve, a good practice is not to close it as tight as you can in case the valve locks up. Right now, I'm just testing to see if the valve shut off, and as you can see, there's no more water to the main house. And as you can see here in the bathroom, there is no water coming out of the faucet. Now we could get to work. The first thing we will do is take off this handle. You're going to flip it up so you can see the little Allen key in there, and you're going to unscrew it. Now you don't need to unscrew it all the way. You just need to unscrew it a few turns until it becomes loose, and you could basically just slide the handle off just as shown. Now there's going to be a sleeve over the entire cartridge. There's going to be a nut holding the cartridge into the faucet system. That should come off pretty easily, and if not, you could use yourself a wrench. Then the old cartridge just kind of pulls right out of the faucet just as shown. It pulls out. It might take a little bit of force, but once you get it out, it is out. One thing very interesting about these cartridges is they are most likely backed by a lifetime warranty. Now, you could call up your faucet manufacturer and they will send you a brand new cartridge for free, shipping included, and that is the type of cartridge I got right here. Now, it is about the exact same cartridge that came out. I think it's a little bit newer and updated model, and all you have to do to install it is push it right into the faucet fixture. Now, the one thing I will mention to you is that there's a hot and a cold side to this faucet cartridge. Right there, there's an H. There's two tabs that will also line up into the faucet. And once that's done, you can put your handle on and you'll see that most likely it's not going to have the full range of motion from cold to hot. And that's a simple adjustment. Now, for this cartridge's case, the way you do it is you squeeze the white plastic ring and you twist to the left, and that will make it so the range of the cold and hot is wider. The next thing we're going to do is use a high quality synthetic lubricant such as the one I have on my finger, and we're going to make sure all these brass parts are lubed up, because if you're someone like me, I would hate to have to do this in the future and all the parts are seized together. So in preparing yourself for the future, putting a little bit of silicone lubricant onto something like this brass ring will make a hell of a difference in the future in making this a much easier fix. Now the next thing you're going to do is put this sleeve back on. This sleeve tends to have these splines which must line up with the cartridge when you put the sleeve back onto the faucet. Now, as you can see, I'm going to slip this sleeve right back onto the cartridge in the faucet, and now I'm going to work on this handle. This handle could also tend to seize up. That's why I am removing the little Allen key from the handle so I could apply some high quality silicone grease to it. Now, taking a little bit of that grease, you want to liberally put it all over this screw, because if that screw gets lodged in the handle, you're going to have a hard time repairing this in the future. I'm also going to put it on the little receiver hole within the handle, and the next place I'm going to put it is right on the little brass stud that comes off of that cartridge. Now, just a reminder, all of the tools and parts that I use in this video will be listed below in the description for your convenience. Please check below. All we have to do now is just tighten this handle to the cartridge stud, and once this is done, this entire job will be completed and we'll now not have a leaky faucet. Now, this will obviously save you money on your water bill, but will also just stop the annoying leak. And now the final thing to do for this job is to go outside and turn back on your water. And just as a reminder, guys, please don't open your valves up all the way. Make sure you back them off, because if you do, there is a possibility for the valves to seize up in the future and to have another major problem on your hands. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you wouldn't mind, please subscribe, please comment below, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.